Welcome back to my house. You see my living room? You can see more of it now. There's the couch. That's where I was sitting earlier. Hi. What? What are you looking at? Why are you looking at me that way? Oh, my hair. You like it? It's green and it's so long and wavy. It's like little zigzag lines, like Italia's hair, huh? Remember? It is. I like it. It's from Alex. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, Alex's mom. But I decided to put it on because Ooblek is so exciting anyways. We might as well make it like a full-on party celebration. Okay, so do you want to get dressed up? Do you have a wig? Go put it on. Do you have a hat? Go put it on. What about an Elsa costume? Or an Optimus Prime costume? Or a Spider-Man costume? Oh, now I got to take a Spider-Man breath. You ready? All right, I'm ready. Are you going to go get dressed up? I'll wait for you. Okay? Go get something. And if you do, don't forget to have somebody take a photo and send it to me because I want to see how cool you are. Okay? All right, are you ready? Okay, let's go. So, remember, we're making Ooblek, and I said we need 3 things, right? And then my last video I said maybe just 2 things, so I'll tell you now. So you need this. This, remember, is cornstarch, okay? And you definitely need this. Remember what this is? Water. So these you have to have in order to make Ooblek. I mean, you have to. But this part, the food coloring, you don't really have to have it. It just makes it a different color. If you just use these 2, it'll be white, like that. It'll be white. But if I use this, I can make green, like my hair. Ooh, I hope I have green in there. I think I want to make green. Look, it'll match my hair. Yeah. Okay, cool. I'm using that one. So, cornstarch, water. I've got my food coloring. I'm going to use it. I have a bowl. And look, I got a clear bowl, so you can see through it and you can see in there, okay? Oh, and don't forget, I also put something down on my table so I don't get my tablecloth messy. I also have a spoon to mix. I'll probably end up using my hands at some point, but I'm going to start with this. I also have a measuring cup. Okay, the unfortunate thing is when I opened this up, look, I barely have any. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, there's very little in there. It's okay though, I'll just make a little bit. So, you know what? It'll still be fun. First I'm gonna pour this in because I need to see how much water I need. Because I always need twice of cornstarch than water. That makes sense. I'll show you. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it in here. Okay, so I don't have very much. See, it's not even quite filling this up. So when I pour it in here, I'm just going to put about this much water to start with, just to check the consistency. Because if I put too much water, then I can't go back because I don't have any more. Okay, ready? So here I go. I'm going to pour it in. Bonk. Did you pour yours in? Yeah? Are you ready? Okay. Now I'm going to do my water. Okay, I got to be careful. Don't put too much, Maranatha. Here it goes. Okay, I think I have the right amount. I hope I do. Here it goes. Do you see it pouring? Okay. Should I go ahead and put the green in? Okay, I'm going to do it. Okay, let's see. How many droplets should I put? I'm going to put 5, and then we'll see how it works out, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, gotta close it up so I don't make a mess on accident. Okay, here I go. I'm going to start mixing it. Ooh, it's kind of hard to mix. It's getting very stiff. Oh, wow. Is this what Ooblek is? It doesn't just mix up very smoothly. It seems like the harder I push against it, the more it's turning into a solid. That's Ooblek. Oh my gosh. Did you know that Ooblek is a non-Newtonian fluid? And that means when you put pressure on it, it turns hard, like a solid. But if you hold it gently, it's very runny, like a liquid. You know what that makes me think of? Whenever we're angry with our friends and we get our fist up like this, right? And you push against the Ooblek, it gets really hard. But when you're gentle with your friends and you have a gentle touch, it's more relaxed. Just like this Ooblek. Huh, that's very interesting. You know, unfortunately, I think I need a little bit more cornstarch. I think I put too much water. Let me know how yours works. It's going to be okay because I can still play with it. And did you know what? This isn't it. You can also do sink and float. Do you know what sink and float are? I'll tell you. So when something sinks, it goes all the way to the bottom. But when something floats, it kind of stays on top, right? So you can get different things. I found some stuff. I'm going to show you what I found. A penny, okay, a ball. I also found this beautiful heart that my mommy gave me. I love you, Mommy. So you can put those in and see, does it go all the way to the bottom? Does it float at the top? Also, maybe you could put, if you have like cars, you can use your cars in with it. Or if you have little animals or dolls, you could also use those. Another idea is when you're all done for the day, don't throw it away. I have another idea for you. This. Do you know what that is? It's an ice tray. You usually put water in it and you put it in the freezer and you wait for a little while and then you pull it out and it turns into ice cubes. The water turns into ice cubes. You can put your Ooblek inside and see what happens, okay? I don't know. I wonder what's going to happen. But then you can play with it again and it will be a little bit different next time, all right? So let's see, what else? Oh, I have one more thing. Can you wait? I forgot it. It's in the kitchen. I washed it. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm still here. Still here. I'm still here. Coming back. I'm coming back. See? You can also get a colander to play with it. So you can pour it through the colander. Let's see. I can use this. Oh, it's starting to get hard in there now. Let's see. Okay. And then I can put it over and let it go through. Ready? Let's see if you can see it. Do you see it starting to go through? Yeah. It is. I wish I had more cornstarch. Mine's a little bit too runny, but that's okay. That's what happens in science experiments. Sometimes they are perfect and they go just the way you want them. Sometimes you don't have quite enough cornstarch, but I'm still gonna have fun with it. In fact, when I'm done, I am totally gonna put it in my ice tray and I'm gonna put it in my freezer and I'm gonna check it out tomorrow. Okay? All right, well, I'm gonna go now. But I hope that you play with your Ooblek for a while and take some photos, share them with me. Also, you know what I'm going to do tomorrow? You ready to hear? I think I'm going to make a fort. All right? Maybe we can make a fort together and I can read a book. Yeah? Does that sound like a good idea? All right. Well, until then, I hope that you have a fantastic day with your family, and I will see you tomorrow. And don't forget, I love you and I miss you, okay? And we'll see each other again soon, okay?